We're going to explain how to convert a row from a data structure, like a table or a data frame, into a list in Python. There are several ways to do this, depending on the type of data structure you're working with. 1. Converting a list of lists. If your data is already in a list of lists format, a common representation of a table, accessing a specific row is straightforward. Let's say you have a list of lists called myTable. Python myTable, apple, red, 1, banana, yellow, 2, orange, orange, 3. To get the first row as a list, you simply index the main list. Python row1 equals myTable, and a row1 will be apple, red, 1, and 2. Using Pandas data frames. Pandas is a powerful library for data manipulation. If your data is in a Pandas data frame, you can extract a row as a list using the toList run method on the row. For instance, Python import pandas as PD data, call 1, apple, banana, orange, call 2, red, yellow, orange, call 3, 1, 2, 3, df equals PD data frame data, row 1 equals df iloc. toList counter row 1 will be apple, red, 1. Here df iloc selects the first row and toList converts it to a Python list. Remember that iloc uses integer-based indexing. You can also use .logs for label-based indexing if your data frame has named indices. 3. Converting from other data structures. If your data is in a different structure, e.g. a NumPy array, the method will vary. For a NumPy array, you can use the toList method directly on the row after selecting it via indexing. For example, if you have a NumPy array called myArray, to convert row 0 to a list, you'd use rowList equals myArray toList. 4. Handling different data types. Remember that the elements within your resulting list will retain their original data type. If your row contains numbers, strings, or other objects, these will be maintained in the list. In summary, converting a row to a list involves selecting the desired row from your data structure, using appropriate indexing methods, and then applying a conversion method like toList if necessary. The exact approach depends on the structure of your data, lists of lists, Pandas data frames, NumPy arrays, etc. And the output is always a Python list, ready for further processing or manipulation. This detailed explanation covers the most common scenarios for converting a row into a list, equipping you to handle various data structures effectively.